Bonvoy.
Did someone say bon voyage? Marriott is the world's largest hotel network. So wherever you go, you'll be able to find a participating property that matches your needs. Members of Marriott's Bonvoy loyalty program are eligible for this Marriott Bonvoy Boundless credit card. Members receive an unlimited number of points that can be redeemed for stays at their hotels. You also have the opportunity to earn a large welcome bonus if you are accepted. The card has a generous introductory bonus when compared to other credit cards. Earn 3 free nights, up to a 150,000 point value after qualifying purchases, plus 10 times total points on eligible purchases in select categories. It's a Visa Network card that you can get from Chase Bank. This card comes with a free night stay every year, automatic Silver Elite status, which means you earn 10% more points than regular members on every eligible hotel purchase, including room rate and other incidentals that can be charged to your room, such as spa and dining. The Silver Elite status is the lowest elite tier in the Marriott Bonvoy program and a leg up in earning higher status. The recommended credit score to have to get accepted for this credit card is 670 to 850. Pros include: Number 1. Get a complimentary award night after your account anniversary each year. Number 2. Priority late checkout. Guaranteed late checkout is an enhanced elite benefit for Gold and Platinum members, offering late checkout guaranteed as late as 4 p.m. Number 3. Marriott calls their points Bonvoy points. You get Bonvoy points per $1 spent at over 7,000 participating hotels in Marriott Bonvoy. Number 4. Points are redeemable for hotel stays, hotel and air packages, gift cards, and more. Number 5. There are 0% foreign transaction fees. Number 6. Baggage delay insurance. If your baggage is delayed for more than 6 hours, you may be reimbursed for essential purchases up to $100 per day for 5 days if you have baggage delay insurance. Number 7. Lost luggage reimbursement. If a passenger carrier damages or loses your checked or carry-on luggage, they may reimburse you up to $3,000 per passenger, so you don't have to worry if your luggage gets lost at the airport. Number 8. Chase may reimburse you for certain otherwise unreimbursed expenses up to $500 per ticket if you are delayed for more than 12 hours or are required to stay overnight while traveling by common carrier. Number 9. Purchase protection. Chase covers most new purchases for 120 days against damage or theft up to $500 per claim, capped at $50,000 per account. Number 10. Extended warranty protection. Number 11. Fraud protection. Credit card fraud protection is a benefit that protects you from unauthorized purchases on your credit card. If you're looking for a new credit card and security is one of your top priorities, it's important to shop around and find the right fit. Number 12. Auto rental collision damage waiver. The benefit provides reimbursement, subject to the terms and conditions, for damage due to collision or theft up to the actual cash value of most rental vehicles. Number 13. Travel and emergency assistance. This benefit offers services designed to help you in case of an emergency while traveling. The benefit administrator can connect you with the appropriate local emergency and assistance resources available when you are away from home, 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. Cons. Number 1. APR will be a factor in how much you pay to borrow money each month. If you carry a balance from month to month, then you would be charged the annual percentage rate. If you pay off your balance on time every month, you won't be charged any interest. For this card, annual percentage rate is variable from 15.99% to 22.99%. Number 2. The balance transfer fee is $5 or 5% of the amount of each transfer depending on which one is higher. This is the fee that's charged when you transfer credit card debt from one card to another. A balance transfer allows you to take the advantage of lower interest rates, potentially saving you money on interest charges. This can be a very effective way to pay off debt if you weigh the savings on interest payments against the cost of completing the transfer, if one is required. Number 3. You'll need to spend $35,000 per year to upgrade to the next tier. Achieving gold status in the Bonvoy program unlocks even more benefits, such as a 25% bonus on stays, improved room upgrades, 2 p.m. late checkout, free enhanced internet access, and a welcome gift of points. The catch is that you must charge $35,000 per year with your Marriott Bonvoy Boundless credit card, which may be difficult if you don't travel or charge daily goods frequently. Number 4. The annual fee of $95. The annual fee of $95 could be disturbing. The $95 annual fee associated with this card isn't excessive when compared to some travel credit cards that charge $450 or more. Even so, some people may be unwilling to pay that much just to collect hotel points, especially if they're infrequent travelers. Number 5. Your Marriott Bonvoy account must stay active to avoid points expiration. To avoid points expiration, keep your Marriott Bonvoy account active. Many rewards cards allow you to accumulate points or miles that may be transferred to a loyalty program account and kept forever. The Marriott Bonvoy loyalty account card is unique in that you must maintain your active account every 24 months to keep your points from expiring. This can be accomplished by using the Bonvoy dining site or automatically earning and transferring points from a credit card when it is used for other purchases. Number 6. Points earnings are modest outside of Marriott hotel purchases. My thoughts on the card. Compared to other cards, I rate the rewards as 9 out of 10, benefits as 7 out of 10, low fees a 3 out of 10, the customer experience a 7 out of 10, and the interest rate a 5 out of 10. The Marriott Bonvoy Boundless credit card is a good option for those who are members of the Bonvoy loyalty program and want to earn more points for free hotel stays. The card's added perks, including the one-time bonus and the award night each year, make it even more enticing for travelers who are loyal to Marriott or one of its many brands, which include W Hotels, the Ritz-Carlton, and Sheraton properties. This card is great for travelers who appreciate simplicity. If you use the free night certificate every year, you'll almost certainly break even or possibly make a profit on the annual fee. Silver Elite privileges include a welcome gift and the ability to earn 17 times points per dollar at up to 7,000 participating Marriott hotels throughout the world. Travelers who want to get the most out of their Marriott points and privileges, on the other hand, should invest in a premium card. The card has a good dollar-for-dollar reward rate. It's less versatile than other travel-oriented cards such as the Chase Sapphire Preferred Card or the Capital One Venture Rewards Card, because the highest rewards are mostly for hotel stays. Keep in mind that if you don't always book with Marriott or you don't wish to be limited to Marriott hotel redemptions to get the best value, you may want to consider a general travel rewards card to get more flexibility. Many of the welcome offers were more than enough to get a great vacation started. However, the welcome offer isn't the only reason to consider the Bonvoy Boundless credit card. The card's ongoing benefits are also appealing. Because the maximum points rate is applied to hotel stays, it's less adaptable than an all-around travel card. However, the hefty starting bonus and a variety of travel incentives available through the Bonvoy program more than make up for it. Aside from hotel bookings, it also boasts a decent rewards rate per dollar on all other transactions. The Marriott Bonvoy Boundless credit card is a great choice for those who want to earn free Marriott stays. When compared to other Marriott Bonvoy credit cards and flexible rewards cards that allow you to transfer points to the Marriott Bonvoy program, this one is a clear winner. To get the best of both worlds in terms of benefits and flexibility, combine a few different travel credit cards. Even if you don't travel frequently, the annual Free Night Award, with a redemption maximum of 35,000 points, is more than enough to cover the $95 annual fee if you stay at Marriott properties at least once a year. For example, you could use your Free Night Award to stay at the AC Hotel Miami Wynwood in August during peak season, which would be worth 30,000 points. It's a Marriott Category 4 property with a typical nightly rate of $259 during that time. This card also helps you advance in the Marriott Bonvoy program to higher status levels. You'll be given Silver Elite status right away. While Silver status doesn't offer many benefits beyond the 10% points bonus and late checkout, it does make it easier to progress to higher levels of Elite status, which offer even more valuable perks and benefits. Each calendar year, you'll also receive 15 Elite Night credits toward Elite status, putting you well on your way to Gold Elite status, which requires 25 nights per year. And depending on how much money you have to spend, you might be able to achieve higher status even faster. When you spend $35,000 or more on your Marriott Bonvoy Boundless credit card in a calendar year, you will be automatically upgraded to Gold Elite status. Where can we take you is the brand tagline. It evokes not only the physical destinations to which one arrives when traveling, but also the personal and spiritual destinations to which one is transported. The brand's belief in travel's ability to help people grow, heal, and find common ground is reflected in the line and campaign. This wraps up my review of the Marriott Bonvoy Boundless credit card. Let me know what you think of it. Thank you for sticking it out through the very end of this video. Nothing helps out my channel more than y'all watching the entire video. These videos take a long time to make and are a labor of love. If you would like to see my channel grow, please help spread the word. And until next time, remember, credit cards are fun when played strategically.